Hello and welcome to Sporty's store. Today we're doing a virtual Airshow event. We all can't get together up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin this year, but we can at least get together online, and hopefully if you are in the area of Claremont County Airport, you can fly in and check out our store and see all this stuff we have here for display and for sale. Today we're looking at flight bags. We get a lot of comments from student pilots about which flight bag is right for me. And we do have a flight bag that is right for every mission that's out there. All these bags have a 3-year warranty and they're amazingly lightweight. They're packed with features, but they're not going to throw off your weight and balance. This is our backpack. It's called the Tailwind Backpack. It has a lot of features that we really love about it. Pockets on the outside for water bottle or transceiver. We have fuel tester flashlight pockets. We have an organizer pocket on front, an accessory pocket for your sunglasses that is lined nicely with this felt material, and then this cavernous interior. And what you'll find with all of our bags on the very back wall of this interior is that same velvet soft material that adheres really well to our organizers. So I can take an organizer for an iPad, for a battery pack, or anything, and put it on the very back of my bag. This allows me to customize my bag for how I need it. The backpack is unique in the fact that it has what's called the headset hanger. Oftentimes you'll put your $1,000 headset in a bag and it rolls around the bottom. Well, now you can suspend it from the very top and protect it from all the other gear that's inside of your bag. We also have 2 side pockets in this bag that can house a battery pack or other gear, cables. And the best feature is this is a perfect bag for the office. So you can have your computer as well as your iPad in this slot here. Both are padded and protected. You'll find similar features throughout the line of our flight gear, from the construction and durability to the high visibility interior to make it easier to find your stuff, even the ability to embroider these with your name. On this bag, we can put your name right here. You can have Captain Doug with your N number right on the very top of your bag. The next bag we have here is the iPad bag. This was built around the idea of having an iPad in your cockpit for use at all times. So there's a custom pocket for an iPad, and in here it's large enough to fit a knee board with an iPad in it. So you have a lot of room in there. Neat feature is we put this through hole, and this allows you to put a charging cable through here so you can charge your iPad with the backup battery brick on the inside of your bag. So you have pockets here that you can hold those iPad batteries and just run the cable through to charge your iPad. Lots of organization in here for cables, because if you're going to have an iPad, you're going to have chargers, you're going to have charging cables, you're going to have lots of accessories to go with it. Has a nice organizer pocket on the front. We can embroider it, we can do anything. This bag retails for around $70. The backpack is around $100. This bag also features our split flat transceiver carrying case on the side of it. This is neat because you can put one flap up, put your radio in there, and your antenna can still stick up without interfering with the flap. When not in use, if you look really closely inside the bag, there's a sleeve for that antenna. So I can undo the antenna and tuck it inside of here, and the sleeve protects it and holds it where it needs to go. On the side, underneath these shoulder straps, are 2 loops, and those are great for carabiners. So you can clip on an umbrella, clip on a jacket, clip on whatever you need to go along with you. The captain's flight gear bag is our biggest bag. I like to call this the body bag because you can put a lot of stuff in it. This bag features 2 different headset compartments, both padded and large enough to fit even the largest of headsets out there. Soft lined, it's not going to scratch or damage anything you put in there. The massive pocket here is for all the goodies. Again, you have that back wall that'll stick all of our gear mods. You have these mesh pockets on the side for all of your stuff, and then you had a padded iPad pocket on the very front. The neat thing about this bag is even when it's closed up and zipped all the way shut, you still have access to your iPad through this zipper right here. Just reach inside, you pull out your iPad that's inside that soft pocket. The front of the bag has the organizer on it, and this is also where you can embroider your name and airplane on. This bag retails for $90. Our crosswind bag is the most sought after student bag in our line. It's also the least expensive. It costs $50, and it has a logbook pocket, headset pocket, and then one massive pocket for all your books and gear that you're going to have for student pilot training. We have a water bottle pocket on this side, and of course the chart pockets on the back. We find student pilots still use paper charts, so you need a spot to put them. Last but certainly not least is our approach bag. This is a portfolio style bag. It's meant more for the professional pilot. You have a spot for a headset on the front, as well as a gear pocket for ADS-B receivers, radios. The main pocket in here, you can put a computer, iPad, file folders. This is perfect for those guys still using online flight planners that need paper to have their flight plan on it. They fit in here just perfectly. Flashlight fuel tester pocket on the outside, and this was specifically made to fit over a rollerboard. So you can put it over a rollerboard and it'll fit and hold just fine. In addition to all of our bags, we also have knee boards, we have gear mods, and they all kind of look the same and function the same as our bags. So this is the trifold knee board that we have here at Sporty's. Just like our bags have the gear mod attachment on the inside back panel, our knee boards have the same felt material. So after you take that accessory gear mod from your bag, you can stick it to the side of your leg on your Sporty's knee board. Thank you for joining us with our virtual air show event. If you happen to be in the southern Ohio area around Cincinnati, stop by our airport here at India 69. We'd love to show you all these bags and all the other stuff we have for sale.